All of the bitches exotic, cars with body, we go retarded. Hop in the foreign, don't need the top. When I get home, I need the top. Louis Vuitton when I leave the house. She got an ass and I grease them out. She wanna twerk when I leave the house. Gucci that belt and I'll leave it out. Yeah, I got standards. Diamond near Flanders. Ooh, Kool-Aid jammer.
Okay, so the two materials that you need is some sort of seam ripper. You can get this at Michael's or maybe like some sort of Hobby Lobby type situation. They're fairly inexpensive, so you could probably find them anywhere for a cheap price. And then the second thing you need is your pant, and make sure that your pant doesn't have like some sort of cut off hem. You want the hem there. And yeah, I'm using my Carhartt, my 90s Carhartts that I just got recently. I love them, love the fade and everything like that. So let's jump into releasing the hem. So you have to literally rip. Oh, ow. So you literally have to rip each seam at a time. This is very time consuming, so get comfortable. So like after you pluck out a few seams, you could probably go underneath and kind of rip out, like very carefully so you don't like make a hole. You could probably rip under and just keep going around. Make it go a little faster. A little bit of break time.
For me, it's not.
Thank you, Tiki, for sewing.
You're welcome.
I would recommend when you're plucking out the seams to be careful not to tug if you have older pants like I did, which is why Tegan is repairing from my ripness. And there was a bit of heel bite and just decay of the fabric overall when we were opening the seam. So yeah, I think they'll turn out pretty well. But right now, let me get into this grilled cheese. You feel me, man? Doing a little bit of repair. I'm not gonna patch up all the holes, just ones that I feel uncomfortable about. But yep, they look pretty good. Turned out pretty well. And the next clip, you'll probably see me try these on. I'm not gonna do an outfit or anything. I'm just gonna wear them so you guys can see how it looks with some shoes on, and yeah.